You missed it again. Gun is ready. Shoot. What did we get here today? Looks like an xshot gun. Oh wow, wait.
Open it. Hello.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are going to unbox this toy. It has guns, it has bullets, and it has targets. It's called xshot. We got it from Costco. The price and everything is going to be there in the video description. You can pick up the link, buy it, and we are going to show you what we got. It has 96 bullets. It has 10 eggs or targets, and it is how many pieces set? See, 109 pieces. So open it like this. 1 and 2. Now pull it. Wow. Wow.
Hi, Mama.
Hi. Okay, so now let's start pulling out everything, right? Yeah, that's the one. Good. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's locked. Now hold the trigger, aim and shoot. Oi. And load, shoot. Oi. And shoot. And shoot. And shoot. And shoot. Oops. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then pull. That's it. Now, how many bullets? These are extra.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But I think there are more that will go inside. So from the front, 1. Okay, push it in. Good. And one more. Okay. Good. Now let's try to load it. That's it. So you load and then shoot. Ooh. Load. Shoot. Okay, did you load it?
No.
No, you did not. You have to pull it. Now shoot. Ooh, it's going all the way far. Load. Shoot. Ooh. Is it good?
Yes.
Now what we'll do is we got these targets. Okay, like this egg. Where did the egg go? Then we will load the gun. First pull. Then aim. Shoot. Ooh, you missed it. Aim and shoot. Ooh, you missed it again. Gun is ready. Shoot. Yay! So there we see we got 2 halves. You're gonna connect them together. Okay? Snap them nicely. Good. Did it connect?
No.
Okay, let me try to help you. So you see you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So try 2 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you press them together. See? This is ready. So, oh wow, you did it. Almost there.
This is small one.
Yeah, so we got
2 baby one and
we got 3 small eggs and 2 small eggs and 3 big eggs. So that's Papa's gun, all fully loaded with extra bullets. For now, I just got 1 extra bullet, and there are 6 bullets that can be loaded in this pistol, and that shotgun can have 2 bullets. More down, little down, down, down. No, you missed it. See, what you do is this much down. Aim it like this. You want to shoot? Wow! Okay, so we got 2 pistols with 6 shots and 6 storage, and we got 1 shotgun with the wheel. I'm going to figure out why that wheel is, and then it has 2 shots. If we look at the box, it says we have 109 pieces, which means we have 5 eggs or the targets, 2 small and 3 big. I'll help you there, I'll help you. And so 5 targets, 96 bullets, 3 guns. So have fun. And now if you look at the back side of the box, it explains that each gun has some storage space where you can store the bullets. It has the shot. Okay, it's not pulling. Let me help you. So you hold it straight, then you pull. Okay? Yes. Wow.
Again.
Okay.
Again.
Okay. So you hold it and pull it. Wow. So it has a wheel. As you can see, this shotgun has a wheel, which is this. And these pistols, they have 6 storage bullets, and that's how they shoot. So if you are interested to know more about this toy, just comment in the video. I can give you more information. If you want to buy this, I'll put the link in the video
I think
description.
5 or not 5.
Bye friends, thanks for watching.
Bye friends, thanks for watching. We are doing last time.
We're doing last time? Okay, please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.